All right, so today we are going to do some creative note-taking in science. And so I'm going to give you a bunch of different definitions and facts that I want you to include in your notes. But instead of just writing it boring in pencil on straight lines, we're going to do it more interesting. So we're going to look at different fonts, different line weights, different directions of your text, and different colors. So what I mean when I say fonts, I mean maybe I want to do it in cursive, or maybe I want to do it in all capital prints, or maybe I want to do it in all lowercase print, or maybe I want to do it in tall, skinny print. Maybe I want to do it in really long cursive. Okay, maybe I want to make it doing something in like a spooky kind of zigzag. Or maybe I want to do it in all dots. So that's what I mean when I say different fonts, making it look interesting in different ways. I could always add dots. Or maybe I could do bubble letters. So there's a lot of different ways that you can write it in different fonts. When I say different line weights, I mean that you can make it bold, or you can make it thin. Okay, so that's what I mean when I say line weights. When I say directions, then I mean I can go horizontal, I can go vertical, I can go diagonal, I can do it in a spiral, okay, so I can do it in different directions. Okay, and then of course, when I say color, I can do it in orange, or I can do it in red, or I can do it in black. Okay, so those are all different ways that you can make your notes look interesting. Everything can be in different fonts. It can be in different line weights. It can be in different directions. You can write one definition horizontal and then turn your paper and make one diagonal. I want it to look interesting. You can also add some illustrations, but if you're going to add some illustrations, they need to have something to do with what we're talking about. So I don't want a picture of a kitty or a tree. Maybe you can bring attention to something by underlining it, or maybe you can put a star next to it, or maybe you can outline it with a box, or maybe you can put a cloud over it. Okay, there are all different ways that you can bring attention to text to make text interesting. I can't wait to see your creative notes.